Is your Xumo TV box randomly shutting down? This is a common problem, often linked to power-saving features. The main culprits are sleep mode, eco mode, and HDMI CEC settings. Sleep mode powers down the box after a period of inactivity to conserve energy. Eco mode reduces brightness and may shut down peripherals to comply with energy standards. HDMI CEC allows the TV and box to communicate and control each other, which can cause unexpected shutdowns if not configured properly. Since Xumo services were discontinued in early 2024, increased reliance on third-party apps can also contribute to overheating and shutdowns, so avoid overloading the device. Here's how to fix the issue by disabling the key settings. First, disable sleep mode to prevent automatic shutdowns from inactivity. Next, turn off eco mode to avoid energy-saving features that can cause unexpected shutdowns. Finally, disable HDMI CEC to prevent your TV from signaling the Xumo box to shut down unintentionally. After making these changes, restart your Xumo box. If needed, check for firmware updates and avoid overloading with too many apps to prevent overheating.